I'm sure you guys have seen videos like these at least once in YouTube Shorts or TikTok. As you guys can see, they are getting millions of views. I have come up with an idea to make these videos with a completely new AI tool for free. So in this video, I will show you how to create Would You Rather Choose and Reddit Stories videos. Therefore, watch this video till the end without skipping any of the steps. Welcome to AI Upskill. First, let's look at what we are creating today.
My best friend got me pregnant when I was 16, and I never told anyone. My best friend and I hooked up once when we were both 16, and I ended up getting pregnant.
Have a child with your best friend's spouse, or have a child with your spouse's best friend.
Introducing Clippy, an AI tool that can create viral videos in minutes. It has a wide range of features such as fake text stories, Reddit videos, would you rather videos, auto captioning, split videos, and quiz videos will be added shortly. For now, we'll look at the Reddit and would you rather video creation processes. So head over to this tool from the description of this video and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you will be redirected to this dashboard. When you click on the Reddit video, you will be led to this dashboard. From here, you can input a name and profile picture. Click this button to choose between light and dark modes for your text box. Also, use this slider to customize the corner curves. Now coming down to post title and post script. This is where you'll submit your Reddit post. So to get a viral post, go to Reddit. Then you'll need a subreddit where people have shared their everyday stories. So search for r/confession and select the first community. Click on the sorting options and select top. Then, in the sort by tab, select this week. This helps us to pick only the best and most engaging stories. You can choose any of them, I'll go with this one. Now, simply copy and paste the title into the post title area. Also, copy and paste the story into the post script area. Clippy gives us an idea about the length of the video. Now, simply click the next button. In the voice section, you can choose a voiceover. As you can see, it offers a wide range of options. You can also preview a voice by clicking here.
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit.
I'll go with this one. Here are some advanced settings like exaggeration and stability. You can adjust them using the slider. Below, you have two choices. Generate voiceovers without or with captions. I'll select with captions. It will start generating audio and subtitles, so let's skip the generation process. Once the generation is completed, you will be redirected to the background section. You can choose one of the provided backgrounds or upload your own. Click Library and navigate to Library. Here you can select a specific video from a wide variety. As of now, I'm going with driving. You can select background music from the options provided below. Clicking the play button allows you to preview a voice. The following slider is used to adjust the volume of the background music. The next section is captions. Choose a subtitle preset from here. I'll go with this one. Font positioning and sizing settings are provided below. From here, you can change some additional settings based on your needs. Finally, we're all set. Click Generate Video. Enter a name for your file and click Render Video. Clippy will start the video generation. So let's fast forward the generation process, and as you can see, our video is ready. To download, simply click this button. Here's a preview of the video.
My best friend got me pregnant when I was 16, and I never told anyone. My best friend and I hooked up once when we were both 16, and I ended up getting pregnant. We never told anyone about the hookup even, let alone that I was pregnant. I was so scared. I ended up...
Let us now create a Would You Rather video. After you click on the Would You Rather video, you will be led to this dashboard. For this particular video generation, we will be needing a script. So to create that, we are going to use Google Gemini. I have created a prompt to generate the script, which will be in the description of this video. I'm instructing Gemini to create a script with 5 questions for the Would You Rather game, with some examples given. You can modify the prompt as per your needs. As you can see, Gemini provides a table with questions and percentages of people who choose them. So simply replace the questions one by one from here. Also, to add an extra question, simply copy and paste your questions above into the option A and option B blocks. Enter a percentage for option A, then click the plus icon. And see, our question has been added here. Repeat the process until all of your questions have been added. Now, just click the next button. In the voice section, choose a voiceover. Clicking the play button allows you to preview a voice. I'll go with this one. Advanced settings like exaggeration and stability can be adjusted using the slider. You will find 2 options below. Either create a video with images or without images. I'll select with images, and it will begin generating audio and images. So let's skip the generation process, and you can see that the images have been automatically added. The edit section comes next. You can modify some more settings from here. For example, consider layout, audio for adding background music, timer to display a timer, images and text. Lastly, sound effects like enter, clock, and correct. I will not change any settings as it already has the best settings applied, so just click Generate Video. Enter a name for your file and click Render Video. Clippy will start the video generation. So let's fast forward the generation process. And as you can see, our video is ready. To download, simply click this button. Here's a preview of the video.
Have a child with your best friend's spouse, or have a child with your spouse's best friend. Never be able to touch anything again, or never be able to taste anything again.
As you can see, our video is wonderful. I'm not showing the entire preview because the video is quite long. So now, let's look at the subscription plans for these tools. If you want to use it professionally and consistently, make money from your YouTube Shorts channel, you must purchase a premium plan. There are 3 different plans: Lite, Creator, and Pro. The Lite plan includes a 7-day free trial. I recommend that you upgrade to either the Creator or Pro plan. You can choose between a monthly and yearly plan. I believe it is extremely reasonable because you will get a wide range of features. So purchase a plan using the link given below, and use the code AI Upskill 10 for an instant 10% discount. See how we created viral Reddit and would you rather videos in a short period of time. It's a new and great AI tool to try, and you guys can earn dollars by using it. If you loved this video, please give it a like and subscribe to AI Upskill channel for more such AI related content in the upcoming days.